Kat District Social Welfare Office Ribhoi District haka Jingïaleh bat ka Ophis Mera Yuva Bharat Ribhoi mentaka sengi kala Pynlong yaka program ajing hikai ban Pynkhlaiñ yaka Jingïaleh Pyrshah ya Drok bat kijingdi penbua yaka bala Pynlong Hajirang Government High Secondary School ka badon ha Western Ribhoi. Yakani ka awareness program la Pynlong hapo ka Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan kumshi benta jang ka jingrakhe yaka National Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking da ka jingtmu ban pen sngo thu yaki Samla puli halor ki jingma ki bammi na ka jing pendan kam ya Drok bat ki wei de ki jingdi penbuat. Hakani ka program ki riu shampang ki plasha khot sngo bha ki la ajing kran bat ya selok bat ki khna school da ka bakun tu ki banji de galenti ka ba khoj basuba bat ban kyar na kinu ki jat jingdi ki bala ban penjat ya kalawe. Shushu ka Ophis kala Pynlong ru ka pledge ceremony but signature campaign hakaba ki khna school kila bam smai ban pendan kam ya Drok ni kinu ki jingdi penbuat bat ban em ya ka jing em ka ba khoj. Hakani ka program lawan banyadan bentalang dau Dr. S. Maxwell Lingdo, counselor but career expert na Shillong, Samla Alfred Doloy, chairman jong ka SSSS Ribhoi Sabngi, kong Priskila Shongwan, program coordinator ka Mai Bharat Ribhoi, lembat uba leader thongni nong hikai ka Jirang Government High Secondary School, rengkat bat kiwei.
Awareness activity but simru ya kecikulah kata ka pledge about banjakun Pyrshah ya Drok na kernet paling bahan ni program
abuse, so you are using it to abuse yourself. In a sense, you eat kwai non-stop, you smoke non-stop, biri non-stop, raja khaini non-stop, shekhar non-stop. Again my point. Now it's no more you using the drugs, but you are abusing. Okay? The guys, do you want girlfriends with very white teeth or red teeth? White teeth. What if the girl is very beautiful but she's got red teeth? What will you do? No. You'll reject. Okay. What about the girls? Do you like guys with red teeth or white teeth? White teeth. Okay. So what happens when we abuse is we are eating non-stop. Have you seen people eating kwai or raja khaini or whatever, duman, all that non-stop? That is where we abuse. Okay? We start abusing our body. Third concept is drug dependency. So what is drug dependency? I cannot live anymore without substances. Okay, so there is a documentary that has actually reached the UN. Okay, so this documentary was built on these tribals who are actually working in the tea gardens. It is towards, Silchar, Dswo, that area. So there is one tribe, okay? So someone did a documentary on them because there is something about them, about this particular tribe. You know what's unique about this particular tribe? There is very high rate of women dying, mothers dying when they deliver children, babies, or if the mother doesn't die, the babies die. So everyone wants to know what happened, what's happening in this particular area, in this particular tribe. Why are babies dying, infants dying at the time of giving birth? Sometimes the mother also dies, the child also dies. So they did a documentary, so they went and stayed in this village. What types of addiction? We have opium, or we call it ganja. Do you get ganja this side? Yes, no? No. It's not there? Huh? It's there. You get from some shop, or is it sold in hiding dealer? Okay, this is the plan. Second type of drugs is smokeless. It is tobacco, but it is smokeless. Okay, so most of the women, do they eat duma? Raja. Biri. Can I see your hands? Those who smoke biri? One hand, two hands. More? Just 2 hands. Such good guys you are. Okay, right. Now I went to one particular school and I asked, do you smoke cigarette? They said, no sir, we don't smoke cigarette because it's very expensive. We smoke bidi. Okay, so I said, why do you smoke bidi? They said, they get 20 sticks, is it? She packet. She packet 18, 18, okay? So they said, I'll tell you how it is, okay? In Shillong we say, Khilai mangan, Khilai biri mangan. So I buy 1 packet and I give to all my friends, okay? Tomorrow someone else will come and they'll treat, okay? Now every time we share biri with our friends, what happens? What happens? You feel close. There is something called as bonding. Every time you share wine with your friends, you feel close. Every time you share a cigarette with a friend, you feel close. So when you look at how these substances work, it is more of bonding, friendship, etc., etc. You agree? Yes?
Accepting this challenge of the country, today we unite under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan and take a pledge that not only the community, family, friends, but also ourselves will be drug free. Because change should start with ourselves. So let us all together take a firm decision to make our district, our state, our village drug free. I pledge.
Say sit.